Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing 3 ways to use a pretty die set for a variety of occasions, so let's get started. I really love the Bold Backgrounds Vines of Love die set, and I didn't want to limit it to Valentine's Day. The die set cuts a large background design and then accent pieces that can be added to the background. For my first card, I die cut the background from a matte gold cardstock, the stem accents from gold glitter cardstock, and the hearts from 2 different shades of red cardstock. This could be a more traditional Valentine's Day use for the set, but I'm gearing it more towards an elegant wedding or anniversary card. I start by laying out my hearts, and then I adhere each one to the stems, varying the different colors. Once the hearts are all adhered, I add the gold glitter stem accents on top, sandwiching the hearts in between. I use liquid adhesive to adhere the background to a panel of black cardstock to really allow the design to pop. You could also adhere it to a white background or pale gold for a more subtle design. I stamp and die cut the sentiment from Miss You Big Time, and I die cut the sentiment outline 2 more times from black cardstock and layer them together to give the sentiment a little dimension. This helps it stand out from the background a bit more. Unfortunately, my lighting shifted and my next 2 cards are a little difficult to see, so I'm just going to sum up what I used for each card as the basic design and layout is the same. My second card is intended as a sympathy card and uses lots of tone-on-tone shades for a more neutral design. I use a light gray cardstock as my base, and the background die and stem accents are cut from white cardstock. For a little interest, I die cut the hearts from a shimmery white cardstock. I finished the card with a gold heat-embossed scripty sentiment from Best of Everything and another one from Inside Sentiments Comfort. My third card is a more traditional Valentine's Day card, but it could also be used for an anniversary or with a different sentiment could be used for a birthday card, thinking of you, missing you, or other occasions. I die cut the background from a pale mint green cardstock. The background is the same cardstock color, but I added a panel of vellum on top to soften the color so that the vines would stand out more. I used 2 shades of pink for the hearts and a darker green for the stem accents. Finally, I added the sentiment from Lucky to Have You, die cut from vellum and dark pink cardstock. I really love the versatility of this die and all the different ways you can use it. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!